How to turn off professional account on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your professional mode in your Instagram account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your Instagram app. Head over to Play Store and search for Instagram. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap on open and make sure you get logged into your account. Now tap on your profile on your bottom right. As you can see that my account has been turned on to professional mode because you can see the professional dashboard in my profile. Now to turn this off, tap on three bar icon on your top right and under for professionals, tap on business tools and controls. Here scroll at the bottom of the page and you will see an option that says switch account type. Tap onto it and tap on switch to personal account. Tap on switch to personal account again. Once you do so, go onto your profile and refresh your page. Now it has been switched to a personal account and you can no longer see the professional dashboard. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.